Lengua 5.2, Preterite of stem, changing verbs. In Lengua 4.2, we saw a few examples of what happens to stem changing verbs in the preterite. In Lengua 5.2, we will review those forms more closely. In the present tense, the stem changes in all forms except the nosotros form. It also does not change in the vos or vosotros forms, vos recordás, vosotros recordáis. For the present tense, this stem pattern applies to all stem-changing verbs, though the endings will be different, depending on whether it is an r, or ir verb. In the preterite tense, only stem-changing verbs will undergo a stem change. However, the pattern is different, and the stem change itself can be different. In preterite tense, there is only a stem change in the third-person forms. Additionally, the only possible stem changes in the preterite are o, u, and ei. This means that the verbs in the ir list above, whose present tense stem changes indicate OUE, will have the stem change of OU in the preterite. Similarly, the verbs in the ir list above, whose present tense stem changes indicate EIE, will have the stem change of EI in the preterite. Let's look at Dormir as an example of all of these patterns. Remember that the verb endings are determined by the subject and tense, and whether it is an r, or ir verb.